channel, and thank you very much for clicking on the watch button, because today we've got the hottest.
So like I said, tomorrow, or yesterday, I said tomorrow, meaning today, I'm going to talk about the stages, the 4 stages of orgasm, especially for women. Men go through this as well, but men, I want you to pay attention. You make sure that you're going. Stages. Are you together with your wife or your girlfriend or your your better half or your significant other? Are you together? God forbid. So when you are having sex, it is the time for you to bond together, feel each other and communicate and just get that vibe together, not alone. No. So today we are going to talk about the 4 stages. Don't worry, I wrote my notes in my tablet, so you'll be seeing me frequently looking down. It's because I don't want to miss a point, because there's nothing that hurts like after the video then like, oh shit, I should have said this. Yeah, so we need to understand that sex is an act of love. You feel you love somebody so much, except those ones, no shedding or anything, those ones who just do it for pleasure. But sex is the way of connecting people, because those fluids you are exchanging, they mean a lot. So you must know when you are going into this, what are you putting yourself into? So you must know that we are in this together. Not only kepe. So stages, especially for women, listen up. Men, pay attention and get some notes. 4 stages. Stage number 1 is the desire. The desire comes into your mind. Today I can do with some sex. That's where now, men, you have to pay attention. That's where a woman wants to be enticed. So tutaliga guseni oro jiro. Talk to me nicely. Put fuel in my car. Send me 100 pounds for my hair. Do things like that. A woman, then her desire goes up. When she's coming home in the evening, she's fired up for you. She's piped up for you. That is stage number 1, desire. This desire can go for minutes or even for hours, even for days. So pay attention to the desire and look up for the signs of the desire. So there, for us, our breasts become bigger. Our nipples become hard, you know, because you are thinking about it. So the brain has the brain has sent signals to the parts that are going to participate in that act. Okay? So that is stage number 1, the desire. Stage number 2 is the arousal or the plateau, whereby you are now home and you feel like, oh, like I said, remember last week I said, have sex, make love wherever you are. So wherever the desire has caught you, if you're with your partner, you're with your husband, you're with your wife, just do it. Just do it. So this arousal stage, that is the stimulation. You expect the body, that is the plateau now, like you have reached, the desire has been done, you communicate with your partner, and now you're on a plateau. What happens? You start making love, because your body is telling you it's ready. The breasts are hard, the nipples are hard, the vagina, the cake, its walls becomes very tensed up and swollen, because it's ready, girl, it's ready. The girl is ready. And in Tony Vasa, ayaronishi yaima. Yaima ama veins yonse mwatari kwa yabalabi yabalama veins 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, because it is ready. It was what? It was a desire that made this. So the plateau stage is where you are in that feeling good together and you are in the act. You are having molagundana, gukundana, watariga. That is where you need to take your time, especially men. Bamalombwan, take your time. Karigana, mubu hemwe nyogo. Are we together? Yes. Are you feeling this? Yes. You must be moving together. Do it nice and slow, because everything inside our bodies is then responding to what is happening inside. Okay? The mind in that moment, it's in the moment, feeling every vein, feeling that excitement. That is why it is called the plateau. Ni plateau alia, you know, you're not moving to go to the excitement, to go to the what, you are in the moment. Plateau together, be in that moment. And then, that is now, it is leading to the third stage. Kambwaliama muscle spasms now, the body is jerking, the body is just screaming with some juiciness. It's just like, this is the moment. Then, that is when now it's going to lead you into the third stage. And that is the orgasm. That is where you are going now to say, who's going to reach first? Communicate muganana. Not to gusigolike pepe. Wanda gusiga gusinazeze and you feel like, make sure I'm almost reaching orgasm. Tell your partner, tell your wife, tell your friend, tell whoever you are having sex with to say, I'm almost there. Are you there? We all have got brakes. Hold on. Step on the pedal. Yama brakes. Jata. Indira first. Hold on. Then, so that is the orgasm. You know, now when you reach the orgasm, those who've got high blood pressures, then the flu, if you've got nose blockage and everything, then even when you had a headache, the headache is going to disappear. Now I just all of those things because the body is in that moment. And that moment takes only a few seconds. There's no orgasm that goes 1 minute. Never. So it just takes a few seconds. But remember, the plateau stage takes maximum 15, 30 to 45 minutes. Mutani windili hipembo magari kuya mlaya guju buti nchigusu ijinyi na wero pepe basa. So the orgasm only lasts for a few seconds. A few seconds. That's where the excitement is. And pay attention to that. Hold each other. Listen to each other. Don't talk. Be quiet. Be quiet and just listen to each other's heartbeats. Imoyo bombo uma basa. Kulimbo uma nga ulimpele moyo li bubu. 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 Not bombo buba moyo kutukoye ya hiwelete honji si havanto pepe. The heart there is different. Completely different, like bubu. Bubu. Not mwamani hambo mwamani hila gusika gusinazeze. You start talking. Oh my God, that was good. Where is the towel? Where is my pant? Take your time. That is the moment. Be in the moment. 5 minutes, 10 minutes. Don't speak. Maybe even fall asleep. Come on now. Go to sleep. So that this sleeping stage can take you into the first stage, which is the resolution. The resolution stage. The resolution stage is where the body gets to the baseline. Okay, this means your heart rate alia ino mubiri. Narikulemba basani ndarulemba mujigwa kambojigwa ajalo jirashupa. Alia ino mubiri mwa hobuga, your body has gone back to itself now the way it was before you started all these stages. Wajogera mubiri. Pempa weno pomwe debuga nana. That was nice. Thank you. How was it? It was nice. Can you get this card and the pin number is 9972. Go and get the money and do the hair. Thank you, sweetheart. There. That is the time when you're supposed now to start talking everything. Not ni bideni mugati pepe. Ariamamba mbabo. Why no mubiri onse Antonio yalo gairamba yamolo musimbuli sale meogo mwazwamu muri resolution ino. That is the best time to tell your woman sweet things. Because we like listening to things after orgasm. And menda siga nduo siga lijatilire atone. We go together into the resolution stage. Not olike. Then if you don't do that, and then you go into the resolution stage alone, the woman is going to be in a very foul mood. Foul mood, divasa. Noganana mbutita kukwene. Nojita nzimbutita kumwite. That is not right. So you must make sure that masiga muri resolution stage, tell us the things, the nice things. Tell us what we mean to you. Tell us what we want to hear. Tell us how it was. And we shall also communicate. That is what we want. That is the resolution stage. Then now you can go and have a shower, go and bath, go and eat together, or do whatever you want to do in this stage. There, you can even forgive each other of whatever happened now in sex and makeup. Kambo mainda mma stages, you want to say, which is desire, plateau, orgasm, and resolution. Those 4 stages must be always. I'm going kusotogera timkwanyina desire. You just want to come and plateau with your friend. Unoli dry we ula mujana ula muzapula mwana mwenyo. So move together stage by stage. The 4 stages must be traveled together as a couple. Don't do it alone, because that's very unfair. Chibiabi icha kutinyoba sankomulike. Ninyomuyanda kutigamusika biyogu orgasm. Straight orgasm. Straight resolution. Waona. Yeah. How you go lalwela iwe? Ulalwela mwandu ulalwela. Fuck off, ulalwela ino mebo. Ndilwela mbulinzi kambolo musale guli kuyupa ya first. You just don't sheta musale gota ninga yupa pepe. Mwahawasa. So that is the thing. Please start practicing these 4 stages. You are going to thank me later, because basa ikukundana kulanoneha. There's a reason why ikukundana kwakale twanyigano. And basa katutyani katwamba ni tuyowa hindehi. These are the stages. If you omit these stages, you are just going to create a very, very miserable relationship with your partner. Okay? I hope it was clear. Please comment, like, and share. And just subscribe to this channel, Basa. I'm not asking for too much. Just that. Wamana wanchondi buya. Na abane babanyina mabandos mwabalira ko mabandos mwabambya tikambwa tutambe ko YouTube yako matimba. Kambwa Facebook twagalonga. Paka ho hula bana banini nina abaherwa bana batalika kukomena. Ulabona bana bamita kabachiri bana banini. Kuba enda kuchita experiment katwamba ni tuyo. So Basa, it's a beautiful day outside. The sun is shining. We are in summer. That's why you are seeing that we are dressed to go out and play in the sun. I'm wishing you a beautiful weekend. I hope you are good. I love you, my vibrant people. Please, please, please enjoy sex. It was meant to be enjoyed by us human beings. Muno munyiga twindabo. Twataliga kuno kundana tano wikiri ma cases aguno bad duty pepe. Enjoy every minute. Enjoy the all 4 stages, and you thank me later. Thank you very much for watching. I love you. Bye.